Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Finding the molar volume of a gas given mass and STP. Correct answer is to find the molar volume of a gas given its mass and STP standard temperature and pressure. We can use the ideal gas law equation left equal V equal left frac m right times left frac RT P right frac m RT MP, where V is the volume of the gas in liters, m is the mass of the gas in grams, m is the molar mass of the gas in G by mol, R is the ideal gas constant 0.0821 L atm by mol K, T is the temperature in Kelvin 273 K at STP, P is the pressure in the atmosphere 1 atm at STP. Simply plug in the values of m, RT and P and divide by the molar mass m to calculate the molar volume of the gas.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.